A homeowner asked, "My kids have been coughing a lot and feel stuffy when we're in the house. Is something wrong?" Well, your vented dirt crawl space draws in moisture and creates a breeding ground for mold. Mold spores and other allergens then get up into your living space, contaminating the air that you breathe. But we're here to help. Our team of experts can transform your nasty crawl space into a dry, healthy space and improve the air quality of your entire home. Call today for a free estimate. All things basement-y.